Lazy? Busy? Just hate vacuuming? Meet the Shark AI Ultra. It cleans, empties and obeys your voice. Hate vacuuming? So does the Shark AI Ultra, which is why it does everything for you. This robot vacuum isn't just smart, it's a genius. With matrix clean navigation, it deep cleans in a precise grid pattern, making multiple passes over every speck of dirt, so no crumbs, pet hair, or mystery fluff gets left behind. Unlike other bots that aimlessly wander, this one thinks before it sucks, which is more than we can say for most vacuums. The self-cleaning brush roll tackles stubborn pet hair without getting tangled, and yes, it actually works on carpets and hard floors, no half-hearted cleanups here. Forget about emptying the bin every 5 seconds. The XL self-emptying base holds up to 60 days of dirt and debris. That's 2 months of vacuuming without lifting a finger. Unlike traditional auto-empty vacuums that require expensive bags, this one is bagless, which means zero extra costs. And when it's running low on juice, it returns to the dock, recharges, and picks up where it left off. You know, like a vacuum should. So while other robots get lost or die in the middle of the job, the Shark AI Ultra finishes what it starts. Let's talk brains. The 360 degrees LiDAR navigation system creates an ultra-precise home map, detecting and avoiding obstacles even in the dark. Toys on the floor? Shoes scattered everywhere? No problem, this vacuum dodges them like a pro. Plus, it doesn't just clean randomly, it remembers your home's layout and adapts to daily changes. And the best part? You can control it with just your voice using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. Say, clean the kitchen, and boom, it's done. No buttons, no bending, no effort. Just hands-free, stress-free cleaning. For pet owners, this vacuum is a game-changer. With powerful suction and a self-cleaning brush roll, it effortlessly picks up pet hair, dander, and dirt without getting clogged or wrapped up in fur. No more dragging out the vacuum daily just to keep up with shedding. Plus, since it vacuums entire areas with ease, it reduces allergens and keeps floors consistently clean, saving you time, effort, and money on constant deep cleaning. Other vacuums claim to be pet-friendly, this one actually delivers. So, is it worth it? Absolutely. The Shark AI Ultra isn't just another robot vacuum, it's the future of effortless cleaning. With advanced AI navigation, ultra-powerful suction, self-emptying convenience, and voice control, it's a one-time investment that pays off daily. No more wasted time, no more frustration, just a cleaner home, with zero effort. So go ahead, relax, binge watch, take a nap, this robot's got it covered.